piece of paper and stuff like that, just like English and just like Spanish and any other language that can be written. Garifuna can be written too. So I do that so that I can model for them. Okay? So then after that, I usually would break it into syllables. I would mark it, right? I would mark it so that they can see that that is the syllable that they have to pronounce, right? I do that. Right? I do that. Every syllable is marked. So that now after I do that, they're watching me, I'm modeling, then this is where I want everybody now to, even if I know that you're writing, but I'm gonna ask you now to put the pen down and to just focus here. Because now I'm gonna need you to pronounce the words in Garifuna, because what happened is that in most classes, children or even adults would sit in the class and they would say nothing. And then how will you be able to speak if you're not speaking the language? How will you be able to sing if you're not pronouncing the words? So this is crucial. Everything is crucial from the minute I start writing, it's crucial, okay? So I'm gonna pronounce the words or the syllables and I want you to repeat. Okay, so I'm gonna, it's like a parrot. I'm gonna say something and then you're gonna parrot it. Okay, it's repetition. Okay, bui ti, let me hear that.
Bui ti.
Bui ti.
Bui ti.
Be nafi.
Be nafi.
Then you go bui ti be nafi.
Bui ti be nafi.
And that's how you learn, guys. And you know something? Because you're older, like how I was with the kids when I tell you the story, you're gonna get it faster. Don't let nobody tell you that when they say, oh, you're too old, you can't learn, a lie. You can learn it, you can learn. So it's right there because you have experience. You have experience. Do you know that bui ti be na fi? Let me hear that.
Bui ti be na fi.
And then I can tell that you're pronouncing it properly because I'm listening to you. Okay? Ida binya.
Ida binya.
Binafile.
Binafile.
Then you say Ida binya binafile.
Ida binya binafile.
You see, because this is Ida binya. This is asking a question. I'm supposed to put a question mark there. So when you're doing an interrogative sentence, you're saying, "How are you?" Right? So Ida binya binafile. That's how you will speak a normal conversation. Buiti binafi. Ida binya binafile. Let me hear you say that.
Buiti binafi. Ida binya binafile.
Very good. Now you're talking. You're reading and talking at the same time, okay? Magadiye tina. Let me hear that.
Magadiye tina.
Uwadigiati.
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 Then you say uwadigiati.
You
see this gap? Sometimes I would even say that you can use that as one. Yeah. Uwadigiati.
Uwadigiati.
Yeah. So magadi etina uwadigiati. Let me hear that.
Magadi etina uwadigiati.
Ida binya gien.
Ida binya gien.
Ida binya gien.
Ida binya gien.
It's right there, guys. It's right there. Buiti binafi ida binya binafi le. Magadiye, and this can also go together. Magadiye tina uwadi gyati ida binya gien. Okay? So let's do it one more time so that I can know that you're pronouncing the words. Buiti binafi.
Buiti binafi.
Ida binya.
Idabia.
Binafile.
Binafile.
Magadietina.
Magadetina.
Uodigati.
Uwadiati.
Idabinyage.
Idabiange.
Idabinyage.
Idabiange.
Very good. Now, see now, I wrote it down, break it into syllables, and then I pronounce it to you, and then you pronounce it back to me, and we're all talking. And all that, and I've done it like 3 or 4 times, that's repetition. But I'm not gonna keep repeating the same way because it gets boring. Okay, so now I'm gonna still repeat, but this time I'm gonna take it up a notch. It's gonna go, Buiti binafi. Let me hear that.
Buiti binafi.
Ida biya binafile.
Idabia binafile.
Magadietina.
Magadietina.
Uwadigati.
Uwadiati.
Ida biyage.
Idabiange.
Sir. You lit, sir? Detention. Detention. Right? So let's do it. Let's do it before.
One question. So the end, you don't pronounce the end, the last end?
Yes, in the
Right.
very good notice. Very good notice, because normally the end in most of our Garifuna words, the end is slight. It's there, but you don't stress it. Ida be again. It's not gen. You don't say gen, because that would look like gen. But gen, you say gen. Ida be again. Right? So let's do it again. Let me model, and then you do it. Buiti binafi.
Buiti binafi.
Ida biya binafile.
Idabia binafile.
Magadietina.
Magadietina.
Uwadigati. But
Uwadiati.
normally you sing, I do it like this. Magadietina uwadigati. Let me hear that.
Magadietina. Uwadigati.
Ida biya.
Idabiange.
Very good. Oh man, I didn't get the drum. Normally when they get it, yeah. So I'm gonna, let's sing it again, guys. I need to hear you sing it, because after this, I want to hear you sing it by yourself. Just one. Okay, the small one. 1, 2, 3, go.
Buiti binafi. Idabia binafile. Magadietina. Uwadigati. Idabiange.
Again.
Buiti binafi. Idabia binafile. Magadietina. Uwadigati. Idabiange.
Normally, it's not all the songs that I would translate, but most of my songs I usually translate so that you could understand what it is saying. Okay, like in the case of this, it's right here. And I'm not gonna stress on this because I'm not an Englishman. I'm sorry. I really don't know how to speak English. I'm just trying. I don't know how to write it either. And this is for the mother, the grandmother who's teaching the kids. They need to know. Thank you, bro. Okay, so this goes like this. Good morning, how are you this morning? I'm fine, I'm okay, how are you? Okay, so I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not an English, I cannot speak English too well, guys. I'm just trying. So let's sing it. Let me hear you sing it because you probably can speak English better than me. 1, 2, 3, go. Good morning,
good morning. How are you this morning? I'm fine, I'm okay. How are you?
Again, good
Morning, good morning. How are you this morning? I'm fine, I'm okay. How are you?
Good. So you got that, right? And I am not going back there. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this twice. We're gonna do this twice, and then we're gonna do that twice again. So buiti binafi. 1, 2, 3, go.
Buiti binafi, ida binafi,